Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. While small apartment and homes offer plenty of charm, they tend to be lacking when it comes to kitchen space. Luckily, there are tons of small kitchen ideas that maximize storage and efficiency. It's all about working with layout of your space. Whether your kitchen is confined to a single wall, U-shaped or tucked in a corner. In this video, you will find small kitchen ideas and tips to help you maximize your space. Whether you are renovating and starting from scratch or just looking to refresh your existing space, you will want to give this a try. Storage is one of the most important elements in a small kitchen. By maximizing every spare inch, reorganizing areas that don't work as hard as they should, and adding extra solution where necessary, you can turn a tiny room into a comfortable and spacious one. Start by thinking how you use your kitchen and where everything needs to be, as this will help you decide what sort of storage you require. For example, it's best to store items by how often they are used, so make sure that everyday dishes are on an easy to reach lower shelf with special occasion pieces higher up. Make a small kitchen feel light and airy by opting for a neutral color scheme. However, neutral doesn't just mean beige or cream. Pair light color pattern tiles and marble walktops with dark kitchen cabinets for a crisp color scheme that will bounce light around, making the kitchen feel spacious. In a small kitchen, you need to think creatively when it comes to storage. Instead of using ordinary shelves, you can use wire panel shelves for string to maximize storage by adapting to your kitchen's need. Add in or take away shelves, hang glasses upside down, and even introduce a wine rack. When space is at a premium, you need to make sure every inch counts. In a small kitchen, go all out with bold tiling. A strong pattern on floor distracts the eye and make the room feel bigger. Every inch of a kitchen has been designed to make the most of the small space, from slimline appliance to the hanging pot plant. Hanging the copper planter is a great way to add some life and decoration in the kitchen without cluttering work surfaces. In many small kitchens, there isn't much counter space to work with. Basic appliances like coffee maker or microwave can eat up little space you have. There are solutions you need to look for. Choose appliances that can be wall mounted or under cabinet mounted. Or add a heavy duty wall mounted shelf to hold heavy appliances like microwave. A small kitchen island can add extra counter space as well as storage. And even a breakfast bar. Small round or square island work better in smaller square space. Consider a longer narrow island for a rectangular space. A sofa console on wheel would be a great idea in a longer galley kitchen.